High-torque magnetic stirrers inside the tanks spin this liquid in a hypnotic and oddly satisfying vortex, causing every single crystal.
Sensors and on-site chemists test every batch. If the taste profile or pH level diverges even slightly.
These presses are so powerful and fast that a flat metal sheet takes a cup shape in a fraction of a second. After this metal is stretched to give it that iconic slim shape.
Then robotic sprayers coat a microscopic, food-grade epoxy shield inside the can so that the energy drink's taste always remains pure.
So that no dent or leak is missed, the shelf life remains intact.
Finally, we reach the robotic packaging and logistics hub. Heavy-duty robotic arms and autonomous guided vehicles work much. Real-time GPS tracking codes are printed on every carton.
And now, stay tuned, because we are about to take you to China, where hyper-advanced factories take this game to a completely different level.
If the American factory was a heavy-duty muscle car, the Chinese energy drink mega factory is a hyper-advanced bullet train. The concept of lights-out manufacturing is utilized. It all begins with the arrival of raw materials. While the USA relies on strict checks, China is dominated by AI and 5G technology.
Ingredients are transferred into automated silos interconnected through the Internet of Things. The moment an ingredient runs low, the AI automatically places a new order. Next, the process moves toward the factory's hyper-blending matrix. The scale and precision of the mixing here is so massive that it will blow your mind.
Versus osmosis. But here, AI monitors the mixing process in real time.
Powerful turbines spin this mixture so rapidly that a perfect, crystal-clear liquid is instantly prepared. While 1,500 cans per minute were being produced in the USA, China's hyper-advanced production lines surpass even this speed.
The food.
Matte black, electric blue, neon orange, the geometric bull logo, and the energy drink text. They automatically place the cans into cartons, shrink wrap them, and build pallets in seconds, instantly deciding which. From here, energy drink cans are distributed at lightning speed across Asia and the rest of the world. The scale and speed of China's logistics network is unmatched. This is
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Super Grok, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.